honorable dignitaries in the dais, and my friends. Unfortunately, the presentation is not opening here. I don't know, the file is disappeared. Really, I wanted to talk about practically, we are talking about technology, using technology in education, and we are experimenting also in our schools. I am from Kendra Vidyalaya Sangathan. In the name of technology, we have purchased lot many computers. We have a resource room there, and with projectors. And technology means you are using some CDs, playing some CDs and videos and all. But now comes teaching the content through technology. So I have prepared how to teach mathematics through web technology. You know, mathematics, it's not just talking, it's step-by-step presentation, so many diagrams and all. So with all Microsoft Flash Player, animes and other things, beautifully I have designed. But unfortunately, this technology is not helping my technology to things. I think I will be getting the addresses of all the member present over here. I will email it. I have a technology called, it is video email. So I can just talk and I can email it. So that is there. I'm very sorry, but I believe that today's world is the world of technology. You cannot go beyond that. Anything you want, any business you want to do. Now, the word they're using is education industry. There I was there, wrongly entered in the higher education there, and they are talking about education industry. So industrialists enter into this place. So now one thing is, two things are there, whether you have to create your own technology or whether you have to perpetually be a slave of the person who is knowing technology. Now you have to think in this line when you think of using technology in school. Because there are so many IT sectors entered into educational technology. So now I think we have, in our schools, the computer teachers are also entering there. We have to create that. I have created a mathematics. I don't think I can able to do that. But I believe personally that it is required, or else we will be outdated and we will not compete with the global educational system. Now education also became, if it is an industry, then education is a commodity. If you think of a commodity, commoditification of education, there is a quality. And we should also say like a certification should be there. ISO certification, ingredient. If you come to my school, these are the guarantee. So we should give a minimum guarantee to the society. You come to the school and say, I have seen in a school they have written there, give me a 0, I will make hero. The schools are publishing this way. So now, if our standard is give me a 0, we should make a hero. Sometime I used to say, which is a good school, where we say, where the child come to the school with a smile and leave the school with a smile. So for them, smiling is learning, smiling is gaining, smiling is achieving, smiling is growth. So the growth, smiling should happen every moment, every day, every year, and in the entire educational career. So now we have to define what is smiling. So whether smiling is technology, let us adopt it. Smiling is something great, let us adopt that. So this way, there is a need of giving a ISO certification, a quality control in our educational system. That's why technology is required. Because it is being used in many parts of the country and we cannot isolate themselves. So that is what I propagate here, that in this present scenario, we have to change our thought, change our concept, and we have to transform the concept through using technology. Now, many times there are so many constraints also, constraints of money. I have visited almost all part of Andhra Pradesh. Years, last 6 years I have been working here. So sometime with Kendra Vidyalaya Sangathan, also with as a regional director of National Institute of Open Schooling. No school building. If there is building, no teachers. If there is teachers, no students. and if there is students, no equipment, in this case you are thinking about technology. So whether technology for Hyderabad, technology for Bangalore, or technology for Gutti, Guntakal, Anantapur, now the firm has to decide. Whether it is for everybody, education for all, then technology for all. Let the government of state government and central government think the financial aspect of it, the infrastructure facilities available, then only you have to think. If it is for somebody, a group of elite people, elite children, I am not in favor of that. Because many times when I was in the office, as an assistant commissioner, I was sitting there, many people comes, you just tell me, can I use it in Gutti? Yes, come to me. So this way, let us, but we cannot isolate ourselves with technology, and we have to integrate technology in our education, and we have to think how in the rural atmosphere with low cost, affordable cost, we develop our teaching learning approaches through using technology. But it is possible. Lastly, I must say, वस्तु स्थिति को समझकर मनोस्थिति में परिवर्तन लाइए, वस्तु स्थिति को समझकर मनोस्थिति में परिवर्तन लाइए, तो परिस्थिति अपने आप बदल जाएगा. थैंक यू वेरी मच.